Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a Game Pass in Roblox. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't already, log in now. Once logged in, click Create at the top of the page. This will take you to the Creator Hub. If it doesn't, just type create.roblox.com into your address bar and hit Enter. In the Creator Hub, look at the side panel and click on Creations. Make sure you're on the Experiences tab. Here, you can either create a new experience or select an existing one where you want to add the Game Pass. For this tutorial, we'll use the default experience. Next, scroll down the side menu to the Monetization section and click on Passes. Then, click the Create a Pass button. You'll see a default image at the top. You can leave this as is or click Change to upload a custom image for your Game Pass. Find and select the image you want to use, then click Open. Now, give your pass a name, something like You're Awesome, and add a description if you like. Once you've done that, click the Create Pass button. After creating your Game Pass, select it to open the settings, then click on Sales from the side menu. Toggle the Item for Sale option and enter a price. Keep in mind that Roblox takes a 30% cut, so you'll receive 70% of the sale price. Once you've set the price, click Save Changes. To make sure your Game Pass is working, go back to the Passes page, hover over your Game Pass, click on the options, and select Open in New tab. This will show you all the details of your Game Pass. If it doesn't show up in-game, refresh the menu or game. If it still doesn't appear, return to the Passes page, select Settings from the side menu, and set the privacy to public. Save the changes and refresh your game. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Game Pass in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix tutorial for more guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.